Hello everyone. Happy Tuesday. You know what Tuesdays mean? It's Taco Tuesday. Something simple today. I like to keep it simple, especially the days that I worked last night and I had to get up this morning. I slept for about 3 hours. Oh my gosh. I just cannot sleep during the day after working all night for some reason. I don't know why. But I decided I better go to the grocery store because I don't have anything to cook for dinner. I didn't even have any ground chuck in there to make some chili. You believe that? Usually that's my go-to. I'm going to turn this down a bit. Usually that's my go-to. I can always throw chili together when I have nothing to cook. There's always something in the house to throw chili together. Not today. So I am going to make some tacos, and I bought some beautiful steaks at the grocery store, and I bought some chicken breast. I think tomorrow I couldn't decide if I wanted to fry some chicken breast or steaks, so guess what? I'm doing them both, and they had some bicolored corn on the cob. I don't know how good it's going to be because, you know, it's really not in season. But we're going to try it out. And I'm going to make a salad. So we're going to have chicken and steak, salad, corn on the cob, and I don't know, maybe some fries. That sounds good, doesn't it? Daisy May, I'm not really sure what you're into in there, but you better stop. Get some more ground chuck in there. I wasn't sure how much I wanted to make, but I like to make it to where there's leftovers because Olivia likes to make her some. All right, I gotta get my tomatoes and onions chopped up because you know I like to do my tacos right. I like to have lots of goodness to serve with it. I like to top with a lot of good things. And yes, I'm going to use a paper plate because that's what I do. My counter looks like it's ready to fly. That's what my mama always said when it looked really, you know, it was really, I can't even think of the word. Cluttered. I was going to call it clobbered. Let's go over here. Let's go over here, ladies and gentlemen. So what are you guys having for dinner today? Tacos? Tacos? Are y'all having tacos? Daisy May, I hear you. If I have to come back in there again, I'm going to whip your hind end. Lord, that dog's stubborn. She's worse than having a toddler around, I tell you. And she knows it. So let's get some onions cut up. I like onions on my tacos. Do you? Look at them. I feel so loved all the time when I'm awake. They must like really miss me. And I am super excited. I haven't told you guys yet, but I am going to day shift. I won't be doing night shift no more. Effective June the 3rd. I have been on night shift since the beginning of time, literally. And I got, the template I got is an amazing template. I am absolutely tickled to death because no more weekends. And better be careful, I'm going to go and study today where I'm so tired. I'm going to cut my foot off. I can't even tell you how excited I am about that. No weekends. And my work schedule will be like, because they're 12 hours. I'm going to go down this way first. So it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of the first week. And then the next week, because we're paid every 2 weeks, so our pay periods are 2 weeks long. And then the second week will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So between those 2 weeks, I will have like a 6-day 6-day span where I won't have to work. I can't even tell you how heck. Roma. I like to use the Roma tomatoes because they're nice and meaty. And you know what? I'm going to go this way, make life easier. Nice and meaty, just like me. Daisy May. She's going to get in trouble. Daisy. You see how she does me, Liv? It's like constant. Constant. Haha, she got locked in another room. What happens when you don't listen? You get put in timeout. Huh? Girl, she worse than you were when you were little. Yeah, my kids listened. Pretty well, anyway. I like jalapenos with mine, too. I guess they have me a bite.
Was this your lettuce?
Yeah, that's my lettuce. Where's your lettuce? Go grab me the salt. I'm only assuming that it's in there by where your dad sits.
There's salt right there.
But I can't turn that and hold this at the same time.
Oh my god.
Alright, turn me some salt. Turn me on some. Dang, girl. Good Lord, look at the salt on that. Mmm. Good, too. Alright. You get me a colander so I can drain this. I have stuff everywhere where I cook all the time and started my cooking channel. Well, it was a cooking channel at one time. Now it's kind of turned into everything else. Mmm. But I have a room. I'm gonna have me another bite. That's good.
Oh, where is it?
It's in there with the other stuff.
No, it's not.
Never mind, I found it. Colander. I better hurry. Hubby be home soon. Get on up in there, girl. Good tomato. I like that piece too.
Has the trash come yet?
No, you know the trash didn't come till Wednesday last week, remember? We were also confused. I think they changed their trash day to Wednesday.
Why?
I don't know. Why don't you call them and ask them?
They picked it up like that.
Huh? I never catch you fixing up like that.
Well, they were getting trash from other people today.
Oh, they were?
Because we were stuck behind one of the trash trucks on the way home.
I see how it is. They don't want my trash. That's all right. I don't want my trash either. All right, let's drain the hamburger. All right, you guys. Quick reminder, and I'm going to do a video on it tomorrow. I'm off. May 3rd, which is Friday, is the deadline for my Mother's Day giveaway. Come on, drain, drain, drain. How can you be included, you ask? Just make sure you're liking my videos. Make sure that you're subscribed. You have to be subscribed because you ain't come in here and creeping this out and then not, and then participating. That's just the way it is. I'm just kidding. But no, I'm not. I'm kidding, but I'm not. So you have to be subscribed and you have to have commented on my videos and like. So I'll probably spend majority of my weekend trying to go through to see who has done that. That's probably not lettuce. We ain't trying to eat no salad, but we are trying to have some lettuce for our tacos. I like to slice this really thin. Can you see what I'm doing here? I get the taco meat in my tacos. Or the taco sauce in my tacos. Super thin. Friday's your deadline. Don't let me have to tell you again. I'm super excited because I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to get you. That's a lot of lettuce now. I'm gonna throw some jalapenos on there. And let me show you what all else that I always get with our tacos. I gotta have all kinds of goodies. Look at that. Wash my knife. I'm anal about that. I don't like to leave it in the sink because it's so big, powerful that it's like really it'll slice your arm off. Look at this real quick. Look at my cup. A dear friend from work, one of my STNAs bought that for me. She's just such a blessing to work with. I just really love her, and I'm gonna miss her on my shift. All right, kids. I'm going to show you what we have for Taco Tuesday. I better hurry. Today I'm using these packets. I've made my own in the past, and I do frequently, but not today. They were on sale for 89 cents, and it's a lot easier to rip that package open than it is to grab everything out of my spice rack. I'm using the crunchy tacos because we like crunchy tacos. I buy this for my husband and my daughter because they like this, the Ortega taco sauce. And for your girl here, hot. Gotta have some hot Taco Bell sauce. And you know what? I think there is some, what is the green sauce called? I think there's some green sauce in there too. And I also got some flour tortillas if anybody wants soft tacos. So we're gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna get my pajamas on. I'm looking forward to feeling normal again. You know, like everybody else. I'll be cooking dinner in my clothes, not my pajamas. I'm super excited about that. What about you, Dave? Are you super excited about Mama going to first shift? She hasn't really said anything about it. A little bit of water in here. And get this stirred together. Oh, it smells so good in here. I have been wanting this. Put some jalapenos on there. Why? Because I like them. Yes. Lord, yes. There we go. Now I got to show you. Now let's show you. Look at that, girls.
Daisy, something wrong with the cheese?
What Daisy do to cheese? That cheese looks homemade. What's wrong with it?
Excuse me. You see me up in here?
What?
I just. You want to put some meat on those tacos left first? Make them saucy, baby. Make them saucy. Get some onion. Onion. What else you putting on there? Jalapenos?
Wouldn't you have to edit out? I have to edit that out.
No. Why are you holding them up so high?
Because I'm tall?
What else are you?
Big and tall?
Should throw that cheese on there. Manhandling that.
Here, let me redo that.
Yeah, redo your, because we didn't get down film. Okay, redo licking the spoon too. All right, guys, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. You know I love you all so very much. May 3rd, the deadline. Friday's the deadline. Look at that meat. Look at that meat. Friday's the deadline. So, for the giveaway. So I love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.